Hi, I'm Jason Arbon, founder at Test.ai, and this is Tariq King. He gave the keynote this morning at PNSQC 2018. And what was the topic of your keynote?
Keynote was entitled Rise of the Machines. Can Artificial Intelligence Terminate Manual Testing?
Cool. What was like one-line summary of what you talked about today?
One-line summary is that the testing bots are here and you better be ready.
So why did it take you an hour and a half to convey that message this morning?
Because I'm just not as efficient as some people.
All
But
right.
also, like, AI and machine learning is something that I think folks have a lot of confusion about. There's a lot of hype, you have to try to filter through. So I really wanted to spend some time getting people to understand some of the core concepts behind artificial intelligence and machine learning, and then how it relates to testing and what are some of the advances that we currently have and where we kind of need to go and try to get people to go there together.
For the Q&A, there were two interesting questions. One was they asked why you feared the machines. What was your answer?
Yeah, I think we keep putting more and more trust in software, and as we do that and we start to think about how software has really transformed our lives, now we're taking artificial intelligence and machine learning. These things kind of have almost like a little mind of their own, right? They can develop some behaviors that we actually don't understand and that we can't predict. And so my major fear is that we continue to push all of this responsibility onto the machine, and we're not doing our part to make sure that it's behaving as expected and that we really do proper testing and validation of these types of systems.
Great. And then there was another question about how people get started, like in testers. Like how can they actually learn kind of machine learning and specifically how to apply it to testing activities? And you mentioned that you have a tutorial.
Yeah, we have a tutorial.
But there wasn't a follow-up question around when you're going to share that with the world and kind of open source that and share that with the world. Do you have a timeline for that?
So as soon as you help me do this stuff, because we do a tutorial together, artificial intelligence and machine learning skills for the testing world. There's a lot of material out there, but yeah, we should open that up right after. When we do it right after this conference.
Start today. Okay.
Let's do it right now.
All right.
All right.
Cool.
Cool.
Thanks.
Thank you.